Works with Alexa for voice control. Alexa device sold separately. Control from anywhere. Turn electronics on or off from anywhere with your smartphone using the Casa app, compatible W/Android and iOS. Voice control. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana supported devices for a hands-free experience. Input voltage 100-120 V, 50/60 GHz, 15.0 A.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.